Hi investor, this is Simon Sarmiento, your property specialist from MegaWorld. And today, andito tayo ngayon sa one of the station of Metro Manila Subway Project, which is Kalayaan Station. And the exact address of this is 11th Avenue, malapit sa 38th Street. And yung mga nearby establishment na malapit is Toyota Global City and yung Pikes Coffee. Ang Metro Manila Subway Project is considered as the project of the century and the target completion date is 2031 or 2032. And this Metro Manila Subway Station is magsisimula up to Valenzuela hanggang sa Bicutan. So madadaanan niya yung Quezon City, Pasig, and Taguig, and meron din direct access to the airport. And here in Taguig area, we have 4 stations. First is the Kalayaan Station. Kung nasan tayo kanina, malapit yun sa may Toyota Global City. And the second station is Bonifacio Global City Station. So ay naman is malapit sa may SM Ora or sa Market. The third station is Lawton East Station. So ayun yung malapit sa may McKinley West and McKinley Hill. And the fourth station is Lawton West. Ayun naman yung malapit sa new Senate Building. Additionally, Kalayaan Station is inside Uptown BGC, a 15-hectare master plan community developed by MegaWorld, where everything is within your reach. You have Uptown Mall, Mitsukoshi Mall, international schools, St. Luke's Medical Center, embassies, and many more. Additionally, not only this location is accessible, but this township is designed to be walkable. Maluwag na sidewalk, madaming open space, puno, and fresh air. Plus meron ding 24-hour security because of the marshals patrolling inside the township. Now imagine if you're working or living inside Uptown Bonifacio. Once the future Kalayaan Station is done, getting around Metro Manila could be a lot more convenient. Less time commuting means more time for the things that matters. Here in Uptown Bonifacio, we offer 2 projects. First is the pre-selling, which is the Uptown Modern. And in that project, we offer no down payment, and that is 6 years to pay at 0% interest. The target completion is 2031. The second project is Uptown Arts Residence. So we offer rent-to-own terms, and that's our brand new condo in Uptown Bonifacio. The biggest discount for Uptown Arts Residence is 15% off for cash term payment. So if you're interested, you can scan this QR code through my Viber or WhatsApp. And you can also send a message on my social media, on my Facebook and Instagram. And again, this is Simon Sarmiento, your property specialist from MegaWorld. See you on the next one.